Hello mga kachupa! Today is Sunday. Hindi ako nakapag-edit kahapon kasi medyo pamamapakaramdam ko. Teka, isasara ko muna tong pintuan namin kasi tingnan mo, nakabukas yung isa. Doble-doble po ang pintuan dito. Yung mga bisita namin, pumunta doon sa bahay ng kapatid niya. Patas ko lang magugas, guys. No, tapos si Paper naglilinis ng aming garden. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yan po ang ginagawa niya. Yan. Naglilinis siya dyan. Tapos na akong magugas. Ayan. Alam mo guys, sinawakan ko yung aso kahapon. Hindi ko alam kinagat ako ng garapata. Ako hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari sa akin. Comment nga kayo guys, kasi kinagat ako dito sa likod ng tenga ko. Dito, buti meron kaming gamot na Nizo cream, ganyan. No, kasi kinagat ako kagabi, buti na lang naramdaman ko na, ay, nangangati. Habang nagsasalita ako, syempre kailangan kumilos din tayo, di ba? Para kakadaldal-daldal ko, hindi ako kumikilos. Di ba? Anong oras na? Anong oras na ba? Alas 10 na. Tapos mag-11 na. 10:51 na. Kakatas lang namin kumain ng breakfast and lunch. Diba? Pulasa ko muna itong yung mother-in-law ko kasi nagluto dito. Nagising ako ng mga alas 10. Alas 9 pa lang nagluluto na siya ng tanghalian. Dito kasi hindi na ako sanay mag-almusal. Minsan pag nag-almusal ako, tubig lang. Para tipid-tipid din tayo. Parang feel ko na na-jar box ako ngayon. Gato ko pagkatas ko kumain na jar box. Pero mas okay na yun, di ba? Kaysa kumakain ka nang hindi ka nag-jar box. Mas masama yun. Natutuwa ako kasi may mga subscriber ako na yung lagi nanonood. Thank you po sa lahat na nanonood na kada upload ko, nanonood sila, di ba? Natutuwa ako sa inyo. Sana hindi kayo magbago. Natutuwa ako. Ito po ang lagi kong gamit. So, kayo pagka medyo may kaya naman kayo, may kaya naman ang asawa nyo, ito na lang bilhin nyo. Para hindi na kayo mapagod maglaban ng basahan, di ba? Hindi ko na sabi na may kaya yung asawa ko, sasabi ko lang na medyo siya. Medyo malinis sa gamit. Tinuruan niya ako, ito daw gamitin ko, ganyan. Sige. Kahit napakamahal na ito, no? Nakita ko to sa Philippines, may higit 100 plus. Pero ang binibili namin, yung tatluhan na nakapack. Siguro sa SNR meron din ito. Tsaka sa Landers. Feel ko meron din ito sa Landers Yan, nalalaglag ko yung mga kalat dito kasi magwawalis naman ako tsaka maglalampaso ko later. Natutuwa ako sa mga kapatid niya kasi kahapon kumain kami ng Hong Kong buffet. Si Paper sana ang magtitreat, si Paper sana ang magbabayad. Kaya lang si Seng, yung isang kapatid niya, no man. Ano na po gumabayad? Kaya nga, hindi na patalo sa Paper. Hindi. Bisita ko kayo ganyan. Kasi si Paper, hindi pa kami nag-grocery after nung nag-grocery kami. Ang dami namin, ilang lalaki nandito. Tapos yung pinag-grocery namin, siguro 2 araw lang naubos na. Pag nag-grocery sila, bumibili sila, ang dami nilang binibili yung mga mong. Lalo na yung nanay niya na malengke ng
Hi, Daddy!
Malengke ng mong food. Mamaya maglalaba kami, papakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami naglalaba.
Where's Grandma?
Grandma is not here.
She went to Uncle Tony's house? What about Cousin Nick?
She went to... What are you doing, Danny?
I'm just walking around.
Okay. Wapa ka na. Si Danny naiwan dito kasi nga naglalaro ng computer. Ako, tsaka si Paper, tsaka si Danny lang ang naiwan. So sabi ko, pag samantalahan ko na linisin yung bahay habang wala sila. Kasi, para pagdating nila dito mamaya, malinis na ulit, pwede na ulit sila magkalat, diba? Natakot ako kagabi, hindi ako nakatulog. Grabe. Kinugat kasi ako ng karapata. Ng karapatan, hindi na ako maghahok ng aso. Ulat ako, wag ako matulog. Eh, parang nanangati yung tenga ko. Buti na lang, sa labas ng tenga. Hindi sa loob. Kasi kung sa loob, ay naku baka magutlog pa doon pa dumami, di ba? Nakakaano. Buti na lang talaga naagapan ko. Buti sa labas ng tenga siya kumagat, di ba? Hindi na ako maghahawak ng aso. Mawalis muna ako. Ay, diba ako guys? Ano hindi niyo ako naririnig ha? Lalakas ako yung boses ko. Maglilinis muna ako guys. Maya na tayo magkwentuhan. Magkwentuhan eh no? Dapat, mag-grill kami for today's video. Dapat mag-grill kami. Kasi nga sa Sunday today, wala kaming grill dito sa bahay. So pupunta kami ng park para doon mag-grill, di ba? Yung mag-ihaw-ihaw ba? Kasi nga, minsan lang sila nandito eh. Baka mamaya, 20 years pa abutin bago bumalik yung mga yan, di ba? Kaya, kasuhin natin yung mga yan. Kasi, yung mga yan, minsan, natulong din kay Paper. Kaya, natutuwa ako kasi, kapatid niya, mababait. Kahit yung iba, may mga pamilya na, di ba, natulong pa rin. Pero yung mga babae, hindi pumupunta kasi yung babae, yung mga babae niya kapatid, mga busy. Mga busy mga kapatid yung babae kasi ang dami nilang anak eh. Yung isa, 6 yata yung anak, tapos yung isa, 3. Eh mga babae, walang mag-iiwan sa anak, walang mag-aan ng mga anak nila, nagbabantay. Mga bata pang may mga anak nila. So, naiintindihan din. At saka may reason yan, kaya bakit sila pumunta rito? Kasi nga, naglalaro sila ng bodies. Yung bodies, may explain ko sa'yo, mahirap explain. Bakit kahit kayo hindi maiintindihan. Papa-explain ko kay Paper para mas lalo naiintindihan yung bodies. Yung nilalaro na. Kasi si Paper naglilinis na ngayon ng naglilinis ng mga damo, nagkakat ng mga grasses, di ba? Ganito dito yung pagka umabahaba daw kasi yung mga damo, walang nagugupit. Alam mo yung talbusan ba? Ano yun yan? Pag dito may penalty yan, may bayad pala yun. Bawal pa tamad-tamad dito kasi pag tumamad-tamad ka, naku, papasingilin ka ng government na mahal din ang ganyan bayad yung mga yan Tapos pag hindi mo nilinis, kukunin ng government yung bahay mo. Pero yun, linis muna ako guys. May na tayo magchikahan. Kasi marami pa ng mga oras magchikahan diba? Baka mamaya dumating na yung mga bisita ulit. Hindi na ako nakapag-linis ulit, diba? Kwentuhan na lang tayo. Ganon. Ano bang gagawin ko? Parang tapos na ako. Linis na. Hindi mo na ako maglalampaso kasi later magluluto na naman. Mamaya na akong maglampaso. Tayo natin ilaw. Tapos, muna akong tubig. Maglalagay ako ng tubig sa rep kasi para pagka bisita, kukuha na lang ng tubig, diba? Lagay muna tayong tubig. Bago tayo magkwentuhan. Lagay tayo ng tubig sa freezer. Ganito yung mga binibili nila. Ako pagka na ito, sabi kasi ni Paper, sabi ko nga gusto ko ipunin yung mga gantong bottle kasi di ba binibenta yan sa atin. Sa kanya, ang iniipon niya yung mga cans, yung mga Coca-Cola, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi, nabibenta rin to. Sabi niya, hindi daw. Siguro, kaya ganun. Baka dito hindi na nabenta. Baby, you're so tired. You look so tired. Mababait yung mga kapatid niya. Although na may mga pamilya na sila. Yung iba kasi saying wala pang pamilya. Si Boa wala pang pamilya. Meron fiancé pero wala pa silang pamilya. Tag dito. Tapos si Hardly, yung isa niyang kapatid, magkakaroon na ng pamilya kasi yung isa niyang asawa. Buntis for today's video. So, ayun, yung asawa niya, una niyang nakilala yun kaysa sa akin. Kumbaga, nauna silang mag-girlfriend, boyfriend. Kasi yung asawa niya, nakatira sa Laos. Diba? Lagay ko muna itong ano sa rem. Una silang magkita noon. Tapos, sumunod kami ni Paper. Siguro 1 year na sila. Tapos, kami ni Paper. Ano pa lang? Dito, bago ba? Kakakilala lang namin. 2020 kami nagkilala ni Paper. Sila, 2019. Pero yung asawa niya, na final niya yung visa, mas nauna ka naman nag-file ng visa. Pero ang file niya sa kanya, spousal visa. Sa akin, K1 visa. Kaya ako nauna rito sa US. Yung asawa niya, buntis doon sa Laos. Diba? Maybe later, can you explain me how the body works?
Huh? How the body works? I can explain it later. We're going to laundromat. Let's get ready to go.
Hold on, I'm gonna put some water in the fridge.
Don't tell Danny. He's not gonna stay here by himself. I'm gonna take a new garbage bag and put it out there.
So, ayun po, malinis na po. Ako na lang po ang madumi. Oh, diba? Danny, let's go. We're gonna go to laundry. Because we're gonna...
I want to stay here.
You can't stay here by yourself.
Ano mo, ito yung kalat, diba? Ayan po yung mga bodies na ginagawa nila. Ayan. Ito po yung stop toy. Stop toy pa yung isa. Yung mga yan, stop toy po yan. Ayan. Mamaya, explain ko sa inyo. Kaya mag-aano lang ako ng labahan namin. Baby, am I gonna separate white and black?
Yeah, you probably should.
Separate muna ako ng aming labahan. Papalit ako ng ano? Ng short. Kaya ito yung shirt ko. Medyo mainit naman sa labas. Mag-shirt lang ako. Labahan na rin yan. Yung ano dito, washing dito, mabilisan lang. Kaya lahat ng ano mo, labahan mo, laban mo na. Yung bodies na yan, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yung sinasabi kong bodies sa inyo, nilalaro nila. Simula pa, bata pa sila noon, nilalaro hanggang ngayon. Parang storytelling ba yun? Basta kahit ako hindi ko rin na-explain eh. Pero mamaya, papa-explain ko kay Paper para ma-intindihan. Banto to ng labahan namin. Mga 2 weeks na to.
Daddy, what can we do to... Oh, what my dad?
It's outside. What are you gonna say?
I was gonna ask him, why don't we do the grill out today and then they can finish the body work tomorrow.
Yeah, I wanna grill too, but you know.
My dad said we'll have to maybe do it tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow.
That's probably not gonna happen because your body stories take a long time.
Kahit yung anak niya, nagreklamo na yun. Kasi yung mga kapatid niya, nag-live ng 1 week siguro sa trabaho. Para lang dyan sa larong yan. Ewan ko ba bakit hindi naman yata pumunta yan dito para sa kasal ko eh. Pumunta yan. I'm talking to my vlog. Pumunta yan dito para maglaro ng bodies. Hi. Say hi to a vlog.
Hi!
Tapos, pumunta yan dito para maglaro ng mga ganyang ek-ek na yan. Gusto nyo para pumunta yan dito para sa kasal namin, no? Although, sige, sabihin na natin may purpose yung punta nila. O, at least naka-attend sila ng kasal ko. At saka nakapag-video. Binidyoan nila ako habang, di ba? Natutuwa ako kasi magaling sila mag-video. Meron nga nag-comment doon, no? Magaling daw yung nag-video. Sabi ko, mga kapatid niya yan. Natutuwa nga ako kasi nga pinabidyo ko sila.
Dad, I can't do the grill. I have to do my laundry.
No, man. Later. After the
Later, we
laundry.
still have to finish the buddy story.
I was gonna tell you, why don't you do the laundry and then after the laundry when we come back, we go to Walmart, get this stuff and then we do the
Tomorrow,
laundry and
then. Okay?
Napagod na yung anak.
I'm gonna finish the buddy story because this is the last time we're playing it. We're on the final chapter. There is no more next time. So
Maybe
we have to
for
finish
how
it.
many years you're playing bodies?
They played
Since I was 11.
Since you're 11 and now you're 43? Oh
yeah,
my
he's
god.
been playing for 30 years.
Long time.
You're
30
crazy, isn't it?
We've been playing since we were kids.
Yes, when they were kids, they had a lot of imagination, I guess.
It's a long story.
More imagination than me.
Then you get pissed to your dad or sometimes.
I want to go sit in the car.
Go help Winnie. If you're bored, help Winnie. She's separating white and colorful.
Pati anak niya nagko-complain na yan. Tagal daw nila maglaro. Nag-jacket ako. Hindi ko naman lumabas na nakaganito. Ito, baby, I'm gonna wash this one on my hands because I don't want this one to
Yeah,
go.
if you don't, the ones that you don't want to put in the dryer, or the dryer, I'm gonna wash my hands.
Baby, you're so tired.
I'm okay. Don't worry. Are you okay? Okay, okay. I'm okay, okay.
Oh, the door is broken. Let it be. Let it be.
It's not. It just fell out of the track. I'll put it back on.
Let it be. Let it be. Baby, why you put the soap so high? I cannot.
You can't reach it?
Yeah.
You're short.
Can you get it?
I can get it. Hold on.
Danny can help you.
There.
Danny is so big.
Where's the soap?
There, the Downy. Downy, you're my
And then
hero.
don't climb on the bed. Don't step on that. You're gonna break it.
Bruh.
You're a hero. Bro, Danny's very helpful.
It's helpful when he wants to be.
Punta na kami sa labas. Sara ko tong bedroom namin. Teka na, ilalak ko yung ano. Double check natin yung ano. Baka mamaya may pumasok dito masamang loob. Natin yan.
Hey, Winnie, come on, let's go. Hold on, I still gotta get something.
Okay. Eh, hindi pa pala ako nakapagpalit ng chinelas. Hold on. I'm gonna change my sandals.
And don't lock this door.
Kalimutan ko. I have a lot of energy for today's video.
Hey, are you ready? Okay, let's go. You got everything?
Show it to here. Hurry that. Speaker?
Speaker helicopter. It's a speaker with a helicopter. I don't know, maybe?
You want to give your uncle some souvenir?
Yeah.
Okay, when they come back, then you can pick the ones you want to give them.
Oh, what happened to the seat?
Huh?
Bro!
Ew, nasty. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ow, stop.
Sorry, babe.
Bro, Winnie,
It'll
you
cool
said
off.
you like being in the heat. Now that it's hot, now you hate it?
That's how it like
It'll
this.
cool off. Don't worry. You want to put it here?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Make sure your seatbelt's tidy.
It is.
Okay. Baby, can you give me my sunglasses in there?
Oh, I forgot my sunglasses to put it back.
That's okay. Do you want it though?
No.
That's good.
What's that?
Skibidi spider. Actually, no, it's a speaker spider.
Now you have a lot of invented machines.
He likes to do that.
So, can you tell me what about the body's work?
How the buddies work?
They have moves.
Have you ever seen that show Sesame Street?
No.
Sesame Street?
Have you ever seen any puppet shows?
Yeah.
That's kind of like that. It's just a puppet show.
It's called Sesame Street.
But
not
we have a
Sesame
story. We have a story that is a long, long story. I can't even begin to get into the story.
Can you make it summary?
The
Story?
summary? The summary is, in the beginning, it's, you know, the world about treasures. They're looking,
characters are
they're treasure hunters. And then it became a romantic world where everybody's looking for a partner. And then it became the #1 best fighting world. So then everybody's fighting, training, you know, martial arts to see who becomes the strongest and the best. And then it became to the point where they learn how to use powers and magic. And all kinds of special skills. So it's like Pokemon. So, yep, except, you know, they play by themselves and we play as them. So that's kind of what that is. And now that the world is coming to an end, you know, they're fighting to save the world. Their world.
And you are the
narrator. And I am the system.
Daddy, when we're finished with everything, can we go to the park again?
What did I tell you?
Oh, yun, nilalaro nila yung bodies for how many? 33 years already.
Yes, 33 years.
Grabe, no? Mga bata pa sila, nilalaro na nila. Siguro kung gagawing movie yun, siguro mga ilang episode na yun, 1,000 episode.
And it's coming to an end.
Daddy, I think you could make a movie off of it.
We probably could. If I were to direct a movie, it would take 10 years.
Magaling kasi si Piper sa mga storyteller, yung mga gagawa sila ng movie, ganyan-ganyan. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanila, bakit hindi ka mag-director? Diba? Maybe did you learn how to like manage the movie, or you go to the school and be director?
Become a director? No. Everything is self-taught.
Yeah, everything that my dad learns is self-taught. Or he learned it from school.
Well, what's really interesting about the Buddy World is that nothing is script. Like, we have a base plan, but nothing is really script. So everything is left, you know, to fate. Like, no one can ever decide what's really gonna happen.
And you're the
things just kind of happen. I'm kind of like the fate too, but fate doesn't control everything. They have a free will as well. So that's what is so interesting about playing it, and we're always excited to play it because nobody knows what's going to happen next.
Yeah, and the good thing is you're playing with your brothers, you know.
And we use it as a bond.
Yeah.
But now that we're ending it, you know, we don't really have anything else left.
So what's going to happen when it's ending? You're not going to bang your brothers anymore?
Well, we'll probably find other things to do, but I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do from here on out. But we don't know yet. Like I said, if they win, their world will be saved. They'll be spared. But if they don't win, then I guess their world is done.
Or if they win, does that mean you guys are going to have to keep on doing it?
Well, if they win, then I'm not going to donate them. Yardley says Yardley's going to take it to his place, I guess. They're going to keep it. And then, you know, once when we get back together, you know, we'll start a new chapter.
Tinanong ko guys kung how many years na yung stop toys, yung mga nilalaro nila.
But we just don't know what's going to happen. Today, we're playing the final battle.
Sabi niya hindi niya matandaan kasi sobrang tagal na daw na. Ano, I was asking you yesterday how many years that toys before you wash it.
We don't ever really wash it because, you know, every time we wash it, then they become weaker and weaker, and then they fall apart. So we don't ever really wash it.
Ew, nasty.
I think a couple of them that are really super dirty, we did wash it, but then after we wash it a couple of times, they start breaking down, so we just stop washing it. We just try to keep it clean, so, you know. Because if we wash it a lot, they wouldn't survive this long. They would all be destroyed already.
Daddy, I'm gonna play with
Because they're just tough animals. If you wash it too much, they break down.
Daddy, I'm gonna play in the final chapter to help you guys.
No, you can't be in the final chapter. You can't be in the final chapter. Because in the final chapter, it's all up to them only. You can't go in and start making stuff up.
When you see my face?
Because you don't know the system. You can't be in a chapter because you don't know the system.
Daddy, you look like Patrick. You know Patrick in SpongeBob.
Because you don't know how the system works. And you're not going gonna make it in the final chapter anyway, because all you have is attack and defense. That's it. You don't have anything else, and that's not gonna help you win the final chapter. You need more than that to win. There's many other techniques and skills you need.
Okay.
I was waiting to let you play throughout the story, but you didn't really play. You just go inside the room. Like you didn't even, you didn't pay attention to the story, so you didn't even know what's going on.
Yeah, because all you guys.
That's why you don't know how to defeat the enemies.
Yeah, because all you guys were doing was talking and fighting and yelling at each other.
Well, because you don't pay attention. If you pay attention, you would know. You would know why they're arguing, and you know why they're fighting.
And also all you guys were doing was rolling dice.
That's why I said you don't understand the system. If you understand the system,
When you look
then
at the
you would
boat,
know.
look at the big boat out there.
Yeah.
You know why we roll the dice is?
Why?
The dice, we use the dice to determine their moves, to determine who wins, who lose, to determine their fate.
Danny, did I tell you we walk here like until McDonald's?
Yeah, she made it all the way to Two Rivers.
Yeah, we made it all the way to Two Rivers.
You
before we got
didn't.
back.
You and Honey didn't, but I'm talking about me and Winnie. We made it all the way to Two Rivers.
Whoa, that's nice.
Yes.
Can we do that sometime?
Maybe when you're older, and I think you can do it. But right now, I don't think you can do it.
I can. I'm old enough.
No.
I'm 10.
Before then, I thought you guys could, but you guys showed me that you're not ready, so I'm not going to take you guys.
I am ready.
No, you're not.
Maganda ngayon ang araw ngayon kasi sunny for today's video. Mainit.
If you don't want to go walking, what are you going to do?
Sit in the car.
You can't sit in the car by yourself. So you're going to have to go walking with us.
Are we gonna walk to the
Well, when we're drying it, then we're just going to walk up and down the road. So
Yeah, I
that
just
way,
want to. I
you know,
just
we
want
have
to walk
something to
that
do.
way.
Yeah, we're just going to walk up and down.
Okay, we're here.
Here.
There's a lot of people.
I wish I could have stayed home and played with my toys.
You can play with your toys here.
So I can bring my toys when we go walking.
You have your toys with you.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, that's me, guys.
Let's see if I have any more. Let's go. Dan, carry that one. Put it in the basket. Put it in your pocket. Here, you want me to carry it? Here, so it's not broken. Good job. Okay, let's go. You want to do it, B? Dan, not that one. Well, all the washers are taken, so we have to wait for it. We're going to wait for these two right here. But I don't want to wash those because it won't fit in there. We have too much. Bring it over here.
Okay, we need to wait here.
Yeah, we'll have to wait. Okay, I'm going to stop it. I got an idea.
There you go.
Thank you.
Ito yung laundry shop na pinupuntahan namin. Nga, di ba malalaki? Dito yung dryer. Dito yung exchange. Dito yung exchanging emerald. Try exchange something. 20.
I'm going to do a 20.
I lost a piece of my helicopter.
Where?
Find it. You lost it.
Oo.
Good job.
Wow, a lot. This is speaker helicopter. Alright. Dito po kami lagi naglalaba. I don't think that's fit.
Of course it'll fit. Unless we pay the wash in the big wash, if we don't have enough. But the big wash is $5. This one is only $1.50. Instead of 20, I'll give you 30.
Again?
If you could guess it.
If I can guess the right one.
Yeah, if you could guess which one is the original design.
How much? You're gonna have to give it to me?
50% on your allowance.
How come Wendy gets allowance?
Because she works. She works around the house. She does chores.
True.
Okay, take a guess. I'll give you 2 guesses.
2 guesses?
I'll give you 2 guesses. So that's a 30% chance you'll get it right.
Ano kaya? What is this?
There are no clues. There's just a chance to get lucky.
If I pick 2, what's gonna happen? You're gonna let me pick another one?
Meaning that you get 2 chances to pick the right one. So if you pick it wrong, you get another chance to pick again. Only one design, so all the quarters have the exact same ones. But now in the future, they have a lot of different ones. So that's why you see a lot of different ones. Like here, there's a whole bunch of different ones.
I know. Where is it?
You know which one's the original design, Dan? You don't know either? Okay.
Here.
Are you sure it's that one? Okay, you get another guess too, and then I'll tell you if you're right.
Hold on.
You can't look at the front. Just
Why?
the back. Just the back.
Okay, this one then.
Those 2? Tell me why you picked those 2.
Because there's a head.
Because of the head?
And the bird and the...
But these all have heads too. Look.
Oh yeah, I just like this.
You like those 2?
Am I right? Wrong.
Danny, which one's the right one? Look. Which one's the original design?
That one.
How do you know that's the original design?
Because I've seen it before.
You've seen it before?
The original one is that one.
Yes, you guessed it right. This is the original design.
What's that, a bird?
Yep, the American Eagle.
I'm right.
Yeah, you got it right. So you get a 50% bonus.
So happy.
So today is Monday, so yeah, I guess you do.
No, Sunday today.
Today's Sunday? Okay, so you get your allowances on a Monday, so I'll give it to you tomorrow. So tomorrow you get $30 instead of $20.
Nakagat ko siya. Danny, you look like Fong. Not Yardy anymore. You look Fong.
Come here, Dan. You finished eating your popcorn? I like your new haircut. Look, this new haircut's so cool.
Danny,
He's so cute. Look at him. Check to see if the clothes are done.
it's not done yet. It's 20 minutes.
I'm just gonna go check and see how much time is left.
Okay. No,
Yeah, maybe like 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
No, 5 minutes.
Maybe we should clean the car. So dirty.
It's okay for now. I mean, if you want to, you can.
Yeah.
And then you get paid $40.
It's not the deal. If you want to do it, you just do it.
Why is it very fast now?
Because the answer is no.
I think Dad is gonna watch this if you give him $40.
He didn't know how. After he's done, I look at it, it looked like it's the same.
It's so dirty.
Okay, for now.
I gotta go.
Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
What is doing?
He's just playing around.
Danny, you look like 5 years old. If you do like that. But if you show your face, whole face, you look like let's see. Show your face. You look like 7, I guess.
Bruh. But I'm 10.
So what is our topic today? So hot.
Yeah, if you open it, it's very hot. Our topic today is all about weenie.
Not me. Like this.
You like that socks? You know what that is?
Yeah.
What is it?
A sheep.
Yes, it's a sheep.
A shack. It's a shack.
It's so warm. You like it because it keeps your feet not so sweaty. It's absorb all the sweatness.
Ew.
Yeah, her feet
That means it must be really stinky.
I want to know. You should try it. Smell it. See if
Ew.
it's,
No. Ew. I spilled some of my drink on the thing.
Hold on, be careful. It's okay.
How much is this?
That? $2. $2.50.
So how much pesos is that?
$2.50?
25 pesos.
No, it's not 25 pesos.
Because $1 is just... Oh,
Guess to see if
100.
see if Danny can guess it.
200.
If 50 pesos equals $1, how many pesos is it if it's $2.50? See if you can do the math. Each pesos 50 pesos.
I know it's 100 peso. 125 pesos.
Are you sure it's 125 pesos?
Yeah.
Good job. You got it.
How do you know?
125 pesos to dry our clothes.
Oh, wash. How many?
Wash, the big one is $5, the small one's $1.50, so $6.50 total. What about $6.50? How many pesos is that? See if you can figure it out.
Like 1,000 pesos?
Are you sure it's 1,000?
1,000.
I'll do the math.
No, it's not.
If 50 is $1 and it costs $6.50, you figured out the $2.50, so how much is $6.50?
Yeah, that is so smart. You can do it.
I don't know.
It's playing.
You don't know? B, you know?
If I guess, what's gonna happen?
I just want to know if you know.
Oh, if you guess correctly, you get an extra $10.
Let's say it this way. If you guess, here, give it to me. If you guess incorrectly, you lose your 50% bonus.
No way, I'm not
Big
gonna answer
speaker
it.
man.
If you guess correctly, you get to keep it.
When you're gonna lose your 50%.
$1 is 50 pesos, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, 50 times like 50 times 6.
200.
Wait. I know. 50 times 6. That's 300.
Wow.
300. 300. And how much cents?
50 cents.
50 cents.
That was gonna win, B.
300 pesos and 325 pesos.
Good job.
Yay!
See how easy that was?
Huh?
See how easy that was?
Yeah.
Why is it that this quarter here is different? Guess know why this one's different?
Let me see.
Why?
Let me see.
You know why it's different?
Is it a 50 cent?
Because
Nope,
it's
it's not
different
50 cent.
person, I guess.
No, it's the same person, but they redesigned it. You know why it's different?
Why it's different then?
We don't know.
Because this is from 2023. This is the latest one.
Oh, okay.
It's a new design. So they don't face the face to the left anymore. They face it to the right now.
Where?
Look, his face is to the right. These are all
Oh.
faced to the left. It's the same person. They just changed the design.
Who's this then?
This guy?
The Statue of Liberty.
This guy is actually George Washington. He's
Never mind.
the first president of the United States.
That is so funny.
What did you say, Danny?
Statue of Liberty.
You said Statue of Liberty? You know who the Statue of Liberty is? Not this guy.
I know it's in New York though.
The Statue of Liberty is actually a girl too. It's not a guy. Yeah. It's actually a girl. Newer.
And then
This is the old
when you
design.
said the right answer, you said, never mind.
Can you read
Maybe I
it?
think it's finished already. It's 12 minutes already.
I don't look.
Speaker helicopter.
What is that? Speaker person?
Large speaker man. There's a regular speaker man too.
I think this one is speech person.
Speaker person.
You ready?
Tapos lang namin mag-washing. Uwi na kami. Tsaka pang ano ko, nag-walking.
Put this away.
Nag-walking kami for 40 minutes. Kasi yung dryer na is 40 minutes. Ito yung agad yung ano, itutupi ko na lang, di ba, pagka-uwi na.
Daddy, how long did the clothes wash for?
Like 20 minutes and then it dry for 40 minutes. So we've been out for pretty much an hour. Plus the driving, so maybe an hour and a half.
And the walking.
I already included that.
That looks like a big nuke.
A big noob?
Pagod ako. So tired.
So tired?
Wala ka na lang natin. Ewan ko bakit na. Maybe tomorrow we should do the barbecue grill.
Yeah.
I want the chicken barbecue and
If it's nice and bright tomorrow, we could do it.
I think mahaba na yung vlog ko, no?
Like maybe
I think we should
golden.
do say bye. Bye for our vlog. Oh,
Bye.
my God. Bye. See you guys next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Daddy, don't do that. Kamukha mo si Atlo. Sino ba yung baby, who's the Patrick's dad?